trust me, I hope all of you are really working very hard for your upcoming CSIR NET as well as the GATE examinations. How are you all everyone? How are you all doing? How your preparation for the CSIR NET is going on? So please tell me everyone, is there everything fine? Am I audible and visible properly? So let's just wait for the 2 minutes time. After that we will be starting our class. Is there any problem in the audio and video? Okay, very good. So I think I am audible to all of you. So today's class is going to be very important, because in this today's class we shall be discussing the organic chemistry, and organic chemistry ka most important 500 questions. So this is a famous ongoing series. In this particular series we normally take the question from the standard books, which has the highest probability to be coming into your upcoming CSIR NET examinations. So this class is going to be very beneficial for you. Okay, so now I will be giving you a particular questions, and your work will be to try these questions and solve the answer of the questions. Give the answer of the question into the comment. Okay, what will be the reactions and what will be the nature of the reactions, that is your work. Okay, so I hope all of you will be giving the answer of this particular questions. Now let's start today's class of the organic chemistry. Welcome to the India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is the best platform for the preparation for the CSIR NET as well as the GATE examinations. So if you are aspirant who is will be appearing for the CSIR NET as well as the GATE examinations, India's best educators will be teaching you in this platform. So taking the subscriptions and joining Unacademy and gaining the opportunity to learn from the India's best educators will be should be your utmost priority whenever you are preparing for the examination like the CSIR NET and the GATE examinations, right? So you can crack the CSIR NET UGC NET with India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. You can get the Unacademy Plus subscriptions and access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. Good evening, Nidhi. So this is all about the myself, Educator Kripasindhu Karmakar. I have qualified the CSIR NET examination of June 2019 with All India Rank 2 in JRF. I am a Plus verified educator at Unacademy. I have got All India Rank 32 in the GATE examinations. So these are my profiles, these are my qualifications about this, right? There is a new batch is going to launch. This one is a Chemithon practice batch. In this batch we'll be starting the practice of the questions. So the nature of this course is basically crash course. So we'll be covering whole of the subject in the exam oriented approach within the very short time before the examinations will be. These classes will be going on till the September 2022, so that we can prepare well for the September 2022 CSIR NET examination. Okay, so take the Unacademy Plus subscription just right now and continue your preparation for the CSIR NET examinations. This is the Chemithon practice batch. This is the chemical science for the CSIR NET 2022. The course will be started at the July 21. Okay, 21st of July से course start हो रहा है. Now in this course, Jagriti Sharma madam will be teaching you the organic chemistry and the inorganic chemistry. And I'll be teaching you the physical chemistry in the exam oriented approach. So these classes are going to be very important for your upcoming examination. So try to take the subscription, try to enroll for this course as soon as possible. Okay, so enroll now and attend our classes. Unacademy Plus are the place in which you'll be getting the live classes, you'll be getting the weekly tests, unlimited access of the test series and the structured courses. These are the main benefits of the Unacademy Plus. Apart from the Plus subscriptions, Iconic subscription has the numerous amount of the benefits. Iconic subscriptions, you will be getting the study planner. Study planner are the customized study plan with bi-weekly reviews. You will be getting the reviews. Okay, these are the benefits you will be getting in the Iconic. If you take the Iconic subscription, then you will be getting these benefits. you will be getting the experts guideline, study booster workshop by the exam experts. Exam experts will be conducting the workshop for the boosting of your study. Okay, now here you will be getting the analysis of the test. You know, test analysis is the most important part for your confidence in the examinations. So that's why get one-on-one guidance from the top exam experts. So this is the test analysis will be getting the opportunity, right? Test analysis will be getting the Iconic subscription. And what is the most important part over here? Here is a personal guidance. So you will be getting the personal guidance, get one-on-one guidance from top exam experts in the Iconic subscription. Okay, if you take the Iconic subscription, then you will be getting the opportunity for the personal guidance from India's best educators, from India's top exam experts. They will be guiding you throughout your preparation journey. Okay, so these are the main benefits of the Plus. These are the main benefits of the Iconic. In the Iconic, you will be getting the personalized doubt solving also. So whenever you will be having a doubt, you can directly take the screenshot of that doubt and send to the exam expert directly. He or she will be helping you as soon as possible. Okay, so take the Unacademy Plus subscription by using the code KRIPLIVE for getting the 10% discount. Whenever you will be applying the code KRIPLIVE, you will be getting the 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. Use code KRIPLIVE for getting the 10% discount. So whenever you will be clicking on the Plus as well as the Iconic, these are the pricing for the Plus, these are the pricing for the Iconic. Okay, so just click on the month that you want to take, and after that use the code. Here it will be asking that have a code, then you have to use the KRIPLIVE code for getting the 10% discount. You'll be getting the 10% discount on your Plus as well as the Iconic subscription. This code is valid for the Plus as well as the Iconic subscriptions, and in any category you can take. Okay, Iconic, Plus as well as Iconic, and any category you can use this code. So for the homework and the class notes, you can click on this link. Here you will be getting a lot of special classes. Okay, here there are the lot of special classes are there which are totally free of cost. You can download the classes PDF also instantly. You can download the class PDF also instantly. The special classes are totally free of cost. Now the Telegram channel. So this is the link of the Telegram channel. At first you have to download the Telegram app, and after that just search this and join in this particular Telegram channel for all of the notifications related to the course, study materials and all of the parts. Okay, so daily special class board. In the special class I have already completed the full Clayton. As you know, organic chemistry is very important for your any examinations. In the organic chemistry, if you want to be good at organic chemistry, Clayton, studying of the Clayton is very important. So full Clayton I have done free of cost. So they will be available at the special classes. Now these special classes are the very important feature of the Unacademy. The special classes are totally free. Here you will be getting the lecture 1 to 135 lectures. You will be getting there. Okay, so 1 to 135 lectures you will be getting in the Unacademy special classes. So for that, all you need to do is download the Unacademy learning app and search my name over there, Kripasindhu Karmakar, and after that just click on the special classes. There you will be getting all of the lectures. If any unlock code is asking, then just use the unlock code KRIPLIVE, KRIPLIVE. Okay, so these are the pricing of the Unacademy Plus as well as the Iconic subscription. Do not forget to apply the code KRIPLIVE for getting the 10% discount on your Plus as well as the Iconic subscription. So there is a new feature has been introduced by the Unacademy, which is really a brilliant feature. Ask it out by Unacademy. So what is Ask it out feature on Unacademy? It is a new feature available to the learners who have installed the app. Okay, so how to take the benefit of it? You can be able to raise a query or doubt. You will be getting the opportunity for getting the instant solutions to lakh of questions. You will be getting high quality solutions in the English as well as the Hindi. If the question is unique, then the subscribed learners will be getting a detailed video solutions. अगर क्वेश्चन यूनिक होगा तो जो स्टूडेंट सब्सक्रिप्शन ले चुके हैं उन लोगों का डिटेल वीडियो सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. Solution is available for the CSIR UGC NET exam. Okay, there is a new feature which has been introduced by the Unacademy. This is the introducing Unacademy Lite for CSIR UGC NET. So this will be for the students who want to take the test series. Now this test series, for the 1 month subscriptions you will be getting at 1500 rupees. For the 2 month subscription, you'll be getting the 2,100 rupees. Okay, so if you take this test series, then you'll be getting the access to curated test series, question bank, and exam of previous year question papers, right? So subscribe now and use the code KRIPLIVE for getting the 10% discount on your test series classes also. Okay, test series preparation also. So have a referral code, just use the my code KRIPLIVE code over here, so for getting the 10% discount on your plus as well as the iconic subscription. At the same time, light subscription also it is valid. Okay, this is a new feature which is the master your CSIR UGC NET preparation with the free unit test, free unit test wise previous year question series, right? Here you will be getting the chemical science also. In this scenario, previous year questions are framed in an exam manner so that you can solve the previous year questions. At the same time, you can be getting the feeling of taking the examinations also. Okay, so examination and the previous year questions will be done simultaneously if you use this part. So start practicing today. You can start practicing today. So introduction to the CSIR UGC NET JRF. Our main target is to qualify the CSIR NET examination of September 2022. Our main target is to qualify the September 2022 because the CSIR NET exam होने वाला है. We want to qualify that exam with a brilliant rank, right? So for that we have to start our journey. And now this is the class in which I will be discussing about the 500. We have already solved a lot of organic chemistry question that is already available into the YouTube channel of Unacademy. This is the official YouTube channel of Unacademy. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and share this video among your friends. So 500 top important questions for the CSIR NET examinations, in which we have taken the standard question from the standard books, right? Now I'll be giving you the questions and you have to draw the mechanism and try to send me. Okay, now let's start the question in this scenario. Okay, so let's start the first question. This one is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and with this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, you are treating with the pH to CuLi. This one is the first reagent. Now the second reagent is the phenyl selenium bromide. So this one is A, and after this you are treating this molecule with the hydrogen peroxide. This is giving the B. तो आप बताओ which of this product will be forming in the following. Okay, I am giving you the two options and you have to select among these two. मैं आपको दो ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ और आपको इन दोनों ऑप्शंस में एक को चूज करना है. ओके, दिस वन इज ऑप्शन इज A and the option B is looking like this one. Now you have to tell me everyone which one will be the product in this. This one is B. बताओ. So what is the answer of this question, everyone? Please tell me. Your V. Try everyone. I am adding the link of the Chemithon practice batch series into the comment of this YouTube channel, so all of you do not forget to check it out. So try to solve this question, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Okay, देखो. So now let's do the solution of this question. Okay, देखो. So this one is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and you know, very good, Dandeli. This one is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and with this the pH CO2Li is present. Okay, this is the name of the Gilman reagent. This one is a kind of the group which will be giving the 1,4 addition. Okay, so this will be resulting the 1,4 addition of these molecules. So this will be double bond and this will be the O minus. So finally in this molecule क्या होगा देखो, this will be the leading to the formation of the O minus and Li positive will be corresponding cation in this, and phenyl group will be added into this side, right? Now after that you will be treating this molecule with the phenyl selenium bromide. Now due to the more electronegativity, bromine will be getting delta negative and selenium will be getting delta positive. So there is a difference into the polarity. Oxygen minus forms a double bond. This carbon will be acting as a nucleophile. This attached to the electrophilic center and the bromine group elimination takes place, right? So finally this one is a 5-membered ring with the carbonyl group. Now here is the selenium phenyl. Okay, now if I talk about the stereochemistry, now let's consider phenyl is approaching the molecule from below the plane. Okay, so phenyl is approaching the molecules attack from the below. The nucleophilic attack takes place from the below the plane. You can take above the plane also, then also there will be no problem. Okay, so let's suppose phenyl is approaching from below the plane. So in that scenario selenium phenyl will be coming from into above or below, so it will be just opposite to the group that is taking place, right? So selenium phenyl group will be above, because to eliminate, to refrain itself from the steric hindrance. Steric hindrance से refrain करने के लिए क्या होगा, both of the stereochemistry will be different. If one is below, another one must be above. Okay, so now after this part we are treating this molecule with the hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide से treat करोगे तो क्या होगा देखो. So this one is the double bond and here is a phenyl group is present, right? And this selenium will be having the positive charge. So in this scenario no biophilic oxidation takes place. Here there will be the heteroatom oxidations, so do not forget this. Okay, now if nothing is there means hydrogen is present into above the plane. So by looking into this part you are understanding that both of the stereochemistry of the molecule adjacent to this group are same. That means this is also above the plane, this is also above the plane, right? So O minus is attacking to the proton, this will be forming the double bond, and at the same time क्या होगा, the positive charge elimination of the selenium is taking place. So ultimately, which will be ultimately leading to the formation of the double bond alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Now here it has become the sp2 center, and you know sp2 center is planar in nature. Exactly. So this one will be the example for syn elimination reactions. Syn elimination reaction. Syn elimination reactions. Is there any doubt regarding this? Chalo. Now let's do the next question. Now I'll be writing the questions and you have to try to solve the question. Okay. This one is a carbonyl and this one is having the group CH2 and this one is the OMe. And let's suppose 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a CH2 5. 5 times CH2 है. We are not writing that again and again. So we are not writing that again and again हम लोग नहीं लिख रहे, because ultimately the things will be same. Now just write down the reagents. Reagents are the very important part. And the first reagent that you are using is the tosyl. So TSOH, paratoluene sulfonic acid, in presence of the ethylene glycol. Okay, this is the first reagent. Now second reagent, you are using the Li NR2. R represents any alkyl group. Then the tetrahydrofuran and minus 78 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, and now the third part that will be here is the MES SME, and fourth part will be the H3O positive, right? So this will be forming the A. Now after the next part you will be giving the B, but the reagents in these parts are NaIO4 and the second में क्या है PHMA. One 110 degree centigrade temperature. So you have to tell me everyone which of this particular product will be forming. कौन सा product बनेगा? So try to solve this question everyone, and whenever you have done, just let me know, sir, I have completed. Please do not forget to like the video. Okay, done, all of you? Options, if I write down the options then it will be taking time actually, right? So okay, चलो फिर भी मैं option दूँ. So do I give the options? बोल देता हूँ. Yes, now tell me which option is correct. B, very good. Yes, the B option is correct. Very good everyone. देखो, so in this particular scenario let's solve these questions. So at first, para-tolerant sulfonic acid is being treated with this one and in presence of the ethylene glycol, right? So you know this one is acting as a protecting agent, okay? Protecting group. So protecting group will be actually protecting which is more reactive. Now this is the ketone group and this is the ester. Now which is having high electrophilic character? देखो, ester is having the lone pair of electron in the adjacent oxygen. So this will be undergoing conjugation, so amount of the electrophilicity is less over the ester, right? So carbonyl character is more for the keto compound. Carbonyl character is more. So and you know, higher the carbonyl character, higher will be the electrophilicity. So higher the electrophilicity, nucleophile will be interested to attack into that center into the good manner, right? So क्या होगा यहाँ पे? In this particular center, there will be the addition of the protecting groups, but this ester will be remaining as the same. There is no problem with this. So after applying the first step, this will be taking place, right? Now this has not, अभी ना ये carbonyl नहीं है. Now this is not more carbonyl. This is no more carbonyl, right? Now we are adding the lithium dialkyl substituent is added with the nitrogen. So ultimately it is acting as a base basically, right? So this will be acting as a base in which there are the two substituents are attached with this. So this one is attached to the R also, right? Now this negative charge will be abstracting the proton. Corresponding cation will be the lithium positive, and there will be formation of the negative charge. The negative charge will be formed in such a way this can be stabilized through the conjugation within this carbonyl group, because negative charge delocalization will be giving the stability of the molecules, right? So this has been protected, अभी तक भी protected है. Now this will be leading to the formation of the enolate. So enolate we have already done into the enolate chemistry. We have already studied into our Clayton classes, right? Now due to the presence of this double bond, one of the sulfur will be delta positive, one of the sulfur will be delta negative, right? So O minus will be forming double bond. Now this will be attacking to the sulfur and one SME group will be eliminated in this. So finally देखो क्या बनेगा. This will be the group as it is. In this time, this will be the CO2Me, and here is the SME group is added. Sulfur is attached to the methyl, right? And after this part, we are treating this molecule with the H3O positive, right? Now H3O positive will be leading to the deproduction of this molecule. इस molecule का क्या होगा? अभी deproduction होगा. There will be the deproduction of these molecules. So now let's take the new slide and continue with this. So this molecule was previously a protected form. Now it has been deprotected. Now it is deprotected. Okay. Now at the same time, we are not writing the number of carbons because that you are understanding. Okay, that is understandable. So OMe and here is the SME is there. So now this will be the product A will be obtained for the after applying the first step. फर्स्ट स्टेप के बाद ये प्रोडक्ट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन वी आर यूजिंग द सोडियम पारायोडेट. सोडियम पारायोडेट इज ऑल्सो बेसिकली ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. नाउ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, दिस विल बी लीडिंग टू द heteroatom oxidation. You know, whenever a heteroatom will be present, heteroatom oxidation will be taking place. So here is also क्या होगा, heteroatom oxidation, heteroatom oxidation takes place, heteroatom oxidation takes place, right? So for this molecules क्या होगा, this will be the carbonyl, it will be remaining as it is, this will be the CO2Me, sulfur, here is a methyl. Now sulfur will be having the positive charge and it will be attached with the O negative, right? Now the next reactions क्या है देखो, PHME and 110 degree centigrade. So basically the pyrolytic. So this one is an example for this pyrolytic scene elimination. Pyrolytic means whenever the temperature is given, that means pyrolytic. So 110 degree centigrade, this one will be leading to the pyrolytic scene elimination reaction. Pyrolytic scene elimination reactions. So because of this pyrolytic scene elimination reactions, O minus will be abstracting this proton, this will be forming the double bond and positive charge of the sulfur has been neutralized. So finally in this molecules क्या बनेगा आपको, this one will be the carbonyl as it is, and the same time this one will be the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and this one will be the CO2Me. So this will be the ultimately final product we are obtaining in these scenarios. So this is the final product that is obtained. All of you written down? All of you have noted down? Noted down? Very good. So now the next one will be solving the two questions then. So here we'll be writing down the question number 1 and question number 2 simultaneously. Then I'll be giving you to solve these questions, right? So just draw the question, write down the question everyone. So this one is an example for a cis fused ring which is having a lacton, cyclic electron, which is the cis fused of the 6 membered ring and the 5 membered ring, in which stereochemistry of the hydrogens are below. So now first step is the LDA. In the second step, that is the PHSC SAPH, PHSC SAPH. Now the third reagent is the LDA. Now the fourth one is the methyl iodide. So this is giving the A, and after this part we are treating this molecule with the H2, hydrogen peroxide, and the 0 degree centigrade temperature. So this is giving the B, right? So tell me everyone, what is the product B is obtained? Now I'm writing down the options for you. मैं आपके लिए ऑप्शंस लिखता हूँ. So this one is A. I'll be writing the two options for you and you have to select among these, okay? आपको इनमें से एक को select करना पड़ेगा. And this one is the double bond. बताओ. Yes, chemist, after a long time. Suman is saying option B. Kind is saying option B. Yogesh is also saying option B. Anyone is thinking option A? Option A के बारे में कोई सोच रहे हो? चलो देखो. So whenever you will be solving the questions, then automatically the shortcut will be automatically come in your mind. Shortcut automatically तुम्हारे मन में आ जाएगा, right? You will be creating the shortcut in that time, okay? Whenever you will be able to solve that particular question sufficiently. So at first it has been treated with the LDA, right? So you have treated this molecule with the LDA. LD is a lithium diisopropylamide, so that will be abstracting the proton, which is more acidic proton, right? So as a more acidic proton will be this proton. Now structure of the LDA will be like this, diisopropylamide. So this is the structure of which one is an example for a non-nucleophilic base. This cannot act as a nucleophile, but this will be acting as a base, right? देखो, N minus will be abstracting the proton, this will be forming the double bond, and this will be forming the enolization, okay? So for this particular part, this 6 membered ring will be remaining as it is. At the same time, this will be forming the O minus Li positive, and this will be basically the enolate formation takes place, right? Enolate formation takes place. Now please tell me everyone, which one of this part is a less sterically hindered site? Less sterically hindered site कौन सा होगा? देखो, whatever the stereochemistry of a particular molecule of a cis fused, this one is an example for a cis fused ring, right? Cis fused ring का in whichever the part the substituents will be having the geometry, that will be the less steric hindered substituent. So less hindered group, less hindered site will be in which of the part substituents are present. So substituents are the hydrogens, so hydrogens are present into below, so that will be determined the stereochemistry of the stereochemistry of the hydrogen. Since stereochemistry of the hydrogen is below, so less sterically hindered site also will be below. So in which of the side you will be keeping the electrophile? Electrophile को तुम किस side में रखोगे बताओ? So obviously electrophile must be kept into the less sterically hindered site. Nucleophile also attacks from the less sterically hindered site. At the same time, electrophile is also presenting into less sterically hindered site. So this will be double bond. Then again the selenium को attack करेगा. This will be forming the attack to the cell. ACPH will be eliminated as a living group. Okay. Now from this part क्या होगा? The 6 membered ring will be remaining as it is. Now what will be the stereochemistry of the selenium phenyl? Selenium phenyl group का stereochemistry कहाँ पे आएगा? So that will be below the plane, because below the plane was a less sterically hindered site, right? Now in the next part देखो क्या है? Again you are treating the molecule with the LDA. Again the LDA will be abstracting the less hindered site but more acidic proton. Base always abstract the more acidic proton, okay? Base always abstract the more acidic proton, चाहे वो less hindered हो या more hindered हो. Whenever you will be having the possibilities, when you will be having the opportunities, then you can select one in between one and one, right? This will be forming, again the enolate formation takes place. Now as soon as the enolate will be forming, जब भी enolate बन जाएगा ना, then after the formation of the enolate, this will be forming, जब भी enolate बन जाएगा ना, this will be leading to the formation of sp2 center. This one is the O minus Li positive. Now here is the ACPH is remaining as it is, and the stereochemistry of the hydrogens are same. Okay, how below the plane is less hindered side? Okay, देखो पांडा, देखो. So we have for that now we have to remember the 6 we have to remember the structure in this. देखो, in this particular way 5 membered ring is there, right? So 5 membered को तुम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हो ना. So we are making this bold because this side is towards you, okay? This side is towards you. At the same time, we can write down this part as a so 1 2 3 4 5 yes. So this is actually remaining present in like this. अगर इस तरीके से molecule present होगा तो आप बताओ, in this particular scenario which of the side do you think is less sterically hindered site? आपको क्या लग रहा है कौन सा साइड less sterically hindered site है? देखो, in this particular scenario there will be the steric repulsion in between the two groups, right? there will be steric repulsion in between the two groups, right? So whatever the stereochemistry of the groups will be remaining, this will be the less sterically hindered, right? Because, are you understanding, Panda? Are you getting? So less sterically hindered side will be the below the plane, because this will be the convex face and this will be the concave face. Cavity किधर है? Cavity. So इस side में cavity है. Cavity वाला is more hindered. Okay, cavity वाला is more hindered. Are you understanding? So this, in this scenario, less hindered side will be the below the plane. And you know, nucleophile also attacks from the less hindered side, and electrophile also remaining present into the less hindered side. So whatever the attack will be taking place, all of the attacks will be taking place from the less hindered side only. Okay. So अब बताओ, in which of the side you will be keeping the methyl iodide? Methyl iodide को किधर रखोगे? In which of the side you will be keeping the methyl iodide? Methyl iodide को किस साइड में रखोगे तुम? Obviously into the less sterically hindered side. Now less sterically hindered side क्या है? देखो अभी भी the stereochemistry of the hydrogen is not changing, right? ये तो change नहीं हो रहा है. So you will be keeping the methyl iodide into the less hindered side. That means below the plane. That means stereochemistry of the methyl will be below or above. This means stereochemistry of the methyl will be below. So you have to think step by step. Okay, whenever you will be solving the question, you have to think step by step so that you can get the answer of these questions correctly. Okay. देखो, so that's why this is a 6-membered ring with having the carbonyl into this side. Now below the plane में methyl है, so methyl is in this side, and above the plane में, so methyl is below the plane, then selenium phenyl will automatically be coming into above the plane, right? If one is below, then another one automatically will be coming into the above. Okay. So this one is hydrogen, this one is also hydrogen. So now after this part क्या है? देखो, इस part के बाद you are treating this molecule with the hydrogen peroxide. Now after treating this molecule with the hydrogen peroxide, so heteroatom oxidation will be taking place, H2O2. So here is also heteroatom oxidation will be taking place. Now CH3 can be written like this also, right? देखो, the selenium group is present into above the plane or below the plane? देखो, selenium वाला group जो है ना, that is present into above the plane, but above the plane में ना कोई भी hydrogen नहीं है. In this center, in this ring junction, there is no such a group which is above the plane. So this negative charge cannot abstract the proton from the ring junctions. It must attack the proton which is present directly to it. Double bond होगा. So finally the molecule that will be, okay sir, I did have, okay, yes Panda, that's why I done missed. So 6-membered ring will be there, and this will be leading to the formation of the double bond, and here is the double bond. Now I'll be teaching you how to solve this question by only seeing. देखो, क्वेश्चंस को देख के आंसर किस तरीके से कर सकते हो. देखो, so tell me everyone, ultimately in the product which of the group is coming below the plane? Ultimately in this product, which of this, ultimately after the final reaction, after this final reaction step, which of the substituent is coming below the plane? Below the plane means less hindered side. less hindered side में कौन आ रहा है? In the less hindered side, which is coming? Methyl or selenium phenyl. So less hindered side is below the plane, so methyl is coming into the less hindered side. Now just try to understand everyone. तो देखो, जो लास्ट में दिया हुआ है ना, that will be coming into the less hindered side. So last electrophile will be in less hindered side. So just write down. So last electrophile will be in the less hindered side. Okay, last electrophile will be in the less hindered site. So now if I give you an example of this molecules, ना इसके बाद मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, अब इसका आंसर डायरेक्टली करना, ओके. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड राइट डाउन द आंसर्स. अभी ना आप इंटरमीडिएट आप जो पहले बनेगा मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द डायरेक्टली. दिस वन इज LDA मिथाइल हाइड्राइड. अब बताओ बिलो द प्लेन में कौन आएगा, मिथाइल या सेलेनियम फिनाइल. 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4. Everyone, now in the below the plane which molecule will come? Very good. So just last electrophile होगा, that will be coming into the less hindered site. Last electrophile होगा, that will be coming into the less hindered site. Are you understanding the shortcut? Shortcut इस तरीके से बनाते हैं हम लोग, है ना, because in the examination we will not be getting that much of time to solve all of the parts directly, right? So selenium phenyl will be having the below the plane, and so methyl will automatically be coming above the plane. Selenium, and here is a phenyl group. Now after this H2O2 oxidation क्या होगा देखो. So this one is the hydrogen and this one is also the hydrogen. So after the H2O2 oxidations, this will be abstracting the adjacent this proton. चलो मैकेनिज्म कर देते हैं. Selenium, here is a phenyl group. Now selenium is positive, then here is O negative, and this hydrogen is there is also this hydrogen. तो क्या होगा देखो. Now this oxygen minus will be abstracting the proton, this will be forming the double bond, and the positive charge of the selenium is being neutralized. So finally the molecule that will be taking place is like this: oxygen double bond, and here is a double bond, here is a methyl, and the stereochemistry of this group will be remaining into below. So is there any doubt regarding this? All of you have written? So great. So now you shall be doing another homework. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? So these are the step by step 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I have written it down. So all of you write down the homework. सब लोग homework को लिखो. Okay, very good, Suman. Okay, so all of you write down these questions, and that's it about today's class. Thank you so much everyone for attending. I hope all of you will be working very hard for your upcoming CSIR NET examinations. Work very hard till you get the JRF.